Smart manufacturing is the core of Industry 4.0, it represents the most cutting-edge manufacturing technology today. It mainly includes intelligence both on manufacturing facilities and production processes. Industrial touch displays panel PCs are widely used in smart manufacturing. They are connections for digitalization, automation, and intelligent application. TouchThink touch display computing products apply to automated production lines, CNC machines, industrial machine vision, combine industrial software and touch hardware to perfectly serve smart manufacturing. TouchThink 10.1 and 11.6 PC-based operation hardware terminals, built for automated production lines, playing the role of MES terminal machines. It has functions such as identity recognition, task browsing, equipment management, defect registration, and abnormal alarm. Support NFC identification, confirm employee identity, record the attendance time. Support alarm design, timely send response to equipment and production line operation. In the process of intelligentization of industrial equipment itself, the application of CNC and laser machinery represents the forefront of intelligent manufacturing. TouchThink industrial panel PCs built with powerful performance and are compatible with a variety of mainstream industrial software. Low power consumption to meet the long-term stable operation requirements of CNC machine tools. The panel PCs with anti-vibration layout of the internal structure well adapt to the vibration environments caused by the manufacturing and grinding of parts. Present a variety of different interfaces for better extend and control connections. In the intelligent system of industrial equipment, touch display devices are an important part of industrial vision. They connect with applications such as high-speed cameras and vision systems to complete data analysis and processing. TouchThink high-performance industrial all-in-one panel PC. It can meet the requirements of visual system algorithm writing and program operation, including military, heavy industry equipment, industrial electrical equipment, aviation test equipment, marine equipment, industrial security equipment and other scenarios. TouchThink Intelligence Touch Display Device is applied to intelligent manufacturing. Upholding the service tenet of customer first, we will provide you with worry-free after-sales guarantee, personalized product customization and professional technical support services.